Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Beauty Forever hair, and you know, it's the same packaging as always. So let's see what we got in today's package. Since recent times I've been getting these little bags in the package. You know, it's always good to get the little goodies. So I got a wig cap, I have a pair of lashes, I have a rat tail comb, and I got a pair of earrings. I also have a drawstring bag. You know, it's branded Beauty Forever. Can use it for storage after you cleanse your wig. I got another bag. Wow, then generous with the packaging. So I just got like some hairpins and clips in this bag. And then lastly, I got the wig. So let's see what we got. Okay. So recent times I got a Bodywave wig similar to this, but it was a highlighted wig. And I'm not gonna lie, getting this kind of Bodywave hair is the new in thing, I'm guessing. And it's way easier, especially if you want to go with a nice initial install. You don't have to stress yourself out with styling too much because it comes styled for you guys already. Basically, the other Bodywave is kind of more of a literal Bodywave. It's in unison most of the time when you comb it out or you apply it, it gets kind of not uniform and you have to go back over the entire thing. But with this, it's like each piece is just kind of like individually curled and it's just nice. The hair, it feels silky. Oh my god, it's so nice. It is pre-plucked and it is a center part. It's also a 13x4 and it is 26 inches long. On the inside it has 3 combs and adjustable straps. And you know, because it's curled, you know, you can't see the full length, but it is 26 inches long. It's very nice and full. Look at that bounce. Me not gonna lie, I love that type of body wave here. This is a new thing and I'm happy I could be I'm showing you guys. You saw it here on PETITE-SUE Diviniti's channel. So yeah, it's also like a medium brown lace. I'm so excited to go ahead and put this on. I love the previous highlighted wig that I got with this whole body wave vibe, and to get it in a dark wig as well. I'm ready to slay. Let's go ahead and jump into installing this. Guys, so I am done with doing a little glam. So all right, cool. I don't know what it is, but since recent times, the past 3 videos I've done, I didn't do any soups or anything, and it's the same thing for today's look. So all right, so this is how the hair is. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. They're so nice and so fluffy. I love this body wave like style that they're doing now, and I hope they keep it. If they change it, then it has to be better than this, but this is perfect. I'm getting minimal shedding, just to update you on that. Minimal shedding. All right, so all I'm gonna do, like, recurl right now is the very front here to get that nice, you know, that nice Kim K fall, you know, that fall there that you do on the center part. So the curls have fallen a little bit. That's something that I noticed, and that's just because I'm running my fingers through it. It's so fluffy and so nice. So I'm getting like a minimum shedding. Yeah, and I feel like because I did cut on the ear portions, and that very much contributed to that. So now I'm gonna get my curling iron, and I think I'm a layer in the front here. Yeah, layer in the front, and then give it a nice bouncy feathered curl. I'm pretty much done with this wig. Like, absolutely stunning, beautiful forever hair. It's beautiful. It speaks for itself. It's beautiful. And I've been like working with wigs from Beauty Forever for a while now, and I can tell you I've never been disappointed with their quality. It's been good up to now, and as I say, I definitely, from the last video that I did with this kind of body wave to now, I 10 out of 10 recommend this new style of body wave. It is way less work. It makes the curls like come off way more voluminous. The hair just looks luxurious. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and you can order it to get it for yourself. All the specifications on the wig, you know, the density, the length, everything will be in the description box. So, you know, the description box is your friend when you want all the details, all the tea on the wigs. Yeah. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself.